the Arboretum and Botanic Garden. This is a 127-acre botanical garden and historical site located in the city of Arboretum. There are many peacocks here. The peacocks were imported from India in the 1880s. There are also many sculptures on display in the garden. Now we're going in the tropical greenhouse. It is very humid. Now we're going to Australia. We are walking on the Serpent Trail. And then we saw a lizard. We're going to learn about Australian native plants. Let's play Don't Touch the Plants. Whoever does not touch the plants at all wins. Now we're in Africa. Now we saw a big tree with fruits that looked like avocados. And we saw more art. Now we're going on the owl tree. Now we're racing to the coach farm. We're going to move inside this little house. Rose Garden is the next stop. We have reached the waterfall. So much fun at the LA Arboretum. We are at the Southern California Children's Museum. This museum provides play-based activities designed to foster excitement and spark a real sense of wonder. Now I'm jumping in the bubbles. Interactive art displays. I am going to spin like a tornado. Now I'm going to hide in this tent to scare my cousin. And I gotta wear a funny hat, play on the giant piano, and draw on a chalkboard. I had so much fun at the SoCal Children's Museum. We are at the Norton Simon Museum. Going to see the Tête-à-tête exhibit from Paris. This is the famous painting by Whistler. This is the card player. This is a painting of a male Zola. What is this man looking at? This drawing is done with pastel. We're going on a scavenger hunt. We're looking for this guy. There it is, I see him. And now we found another one. We're looking for this foot. Not this one, not that one. Oh, here it is. Now I'm going to do some drawing. I had so much fun at the Norton Simon Museum. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Also like and share this video with your friends.